Here's a 2015 tandem axle Kenworth T800 winch truck with a Cummins ISX, 38-inch coffin sleeper. It's got 46 rears, 30-ton winch. This is a Drive Products Camex branded build rig up. It's got a full subframe and tail skirt from the front of the winch all the way to the back. Heavy duty sliding ramps, all custom built to suit the truck. New way suspension. She's got a bogie insert. We'll double check if it's got a double frame, which most of the time they do. Show you this winch. £60,000. There, you can see the double frame. It is a double frame. This truck's only got 300,000 and change for mileage, just over 6,000 hours. You won't find a truck with less mileage and hours, a winch truck anyway, at this day and age. Hood's in really good shape, no cracks. Resale red. This is a clean T800, and it could be your money-making machine. YouConsigneEquip.ca.